How to fix the Singapore Airlines app not working. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about fixing the Singapore Airlines app not working, keeps crashing and stopping, and then stuck on the loading screen. So now let's get started. So first of all, you have to make sure that you've installed the latest version of Singapore Airlines application on your mobile device, and you're also logged in with your specific account. Now go to Play Store, search for Singapore Airlines. Once you find it, tap on it. And if you see an update button instead of open over here, simply tap on it to update it to the latest version available. Now come back, make sure that your internet connection is stable. Then go to System Settings, scroll down and go to Apps. And from here, search for Singapore Airlines. Once you find it, scroll down and go to Storage. Then click on Clear Cache and also click on Clear Data. But clearing the data will also delete all the files, settings, accounts, and databases. So you have to be very careful regarding this. And clearing the cache will help in better performance of the app. Now come back, tap and hold the application, and delete this application completely from your device, and then reinstall it using the Play Store or App Store according to your device. Now lastly, try restarting your entire device and then relaunch the application to see if the app is working. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can fix the Singapore Airlines app not working, keeps crashing, keeps stopping, and stuck on loading screen. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.